Christmas, Percy. Oh, no! My Christmas mail! Whoa! Here you go!
Thanks, Thomas!
Well, the wind sure is winter windy. Looks like you're in a hurry.
Yeah!
I'm making sure everyone's Christmas cards are delivered before Christmas. So I don't want to lose one. That would be the worst. Oh, here's one for you. Thanks, Ed.
Merry Christmas, everyone! See you later, Thomas.
Good luck.
There you are. There you are. Oh, thank you, Thomas. This float will be the crown jewel, the star of the annual Sodor Christmas parade.
I bet it would look even better if Santa was riding in it.
He will be.
Hold the whistle. Santa's coming to our parade.
Yes, isn't it so very exciting? Oh, Thomas, would you mind taking some Christmas cookie ingredients to Reginald's bakery? Santa loves Reginald's Christmas cookies.
You can count on me. I can't wait to tell Percy. Santa's gonna be in our parade.
Ho, ho, ho! Now I must prepare for the parade. Everything needs to be perfect for Santa's arrival.
All aboard Annie and Clarabelle's annual Sodor Christmas tour. This year, starring me, James.
And we love that you're red, James. Just like Santa's sleigh.
Ho, ho, ho! I must admit, red looks great on the both of us.
Whoa! Bolts! The coupler broke.
Oh dear. Oh my. Our passengers can't miss the tour.
Don't worry, ladies. This is the part where Sandy usually pops up and saves the day. Any moment now.
Not today, my dear. Sandy is setting up Christmas Mountain for the parade.
Did I say bolts yet?
And we promised our passengers a red Christmas engine that would take them on the tour this year.
How about a lift while James still leads the way?
An excellent idea! Thank you, Carter. The shiny, handsome, charming Christmas red engine may be down, but he's not out. Follow me!
Thank you, Theory.
Ho, ho, ho!
I can't wait to hang my star at the tippy top of Christmas Mountain again. Then everyone at the parade will see it, just like last year.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
All those beautiful lights.
Yeah, about those lights.
We can't sort these out.
We won't be able to light up anything. Oh, no. We have to light up Christmas Mountain. It's tradition now.
Don't worry, Bruno. We'll get the lights sorted out. Come here, Sandy.
Thanks, Diesel. I want to get to work on a snowy de-squeakinator surprise. Maybe we should start with your star this year. No, we have to do the lights first, since that's what we did last year. Come on. Traditions are something you do the same way every year. That's why you can count on them, because they're always the same.
I got this, Bruno. I'm a great detangler. Wait for it. Epic!
Yeah, and it almost worked.
But the lights are still move. Huh? I got this, Bruno. Ta-da! See? Oh, tradition saved. Thanks, Sandy. I'm on it. While you handle the lights, I've got a little surprise to show you. I've turned my de-squeakinator into a re-snowinator.
Like, snow machine?
Exactly. He'll make things snowier and Christmasier. I'm still working the kinks out. That's okay. You work on the re-snowinator while I start hanging the lights. Is something wrong, Bruno? Last year, we started hanging the lights over there. Well, the way we set it up doesn't have to be exactly the same, right?
No, but we can do it the same. Can't we, Carly?
Sure, you're right. It's tradition. It's also a tradition for me to hang the special star at the top again before we light up the tree. I mean, mountain. Oh, yeah. Taking letters and packages down the rail. My favorite thing is to deliver the mail. Hauling my cargo far and wide. Delivering smiles in the countryside.
No wind or snow or hail or rain is ever gonna stop my happy train. If you hear my whistle, you will see my Christmas drop-off discovery. Merry Christmas! Just one more card to deliver and my Christmas deliveries are done.
Merry Christmas again, Percy.
Merry Christmas again, Thomas. Where are you headed?
I'm off to deliver these Christmas cookie ingredients to Reginald's Bakery. They're Santa's favorite cookie. And guess who's coming to the parade tonight?
Yes.
No! Yes! Santa Claus is totally coming to our parade! Mr. Topham Hat just told me.
Amazing! Percy, perfect timing. I'm delivering my last Christmas card to Reginald now. Let's go together.
Jugga jugga, woo woo!
Special deliveries for Reginald's Baker.
And I've got your Christmas cookie ingredients right here. Whoa! I think I'm stuck.